Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. Firstly, to transfer your crypto from Phantom Wallet, you can follow these steps. Open your Phantom Wallet and select the cryptocurrency you want to cash out. Click on the Send button. Then enter the recipient's wallet address or scan the QR code. All you have to do now is enter the amount you wish to transfer and review the transaction details. Click on Send to initiate the transfer. Once the transfer is confirmed, you can withdraw the funds to your bank account or use a cash withdrawal service to get cash. Please be aware that some exchanges or marketplaces charge fees for cash outs for converting your cryptocurrency to local currency. So make sure to review the terms and fees before making any trades. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.